In the embryo, the early gastrointestinal tube is divided into three main segments. We have the foregut, the midgut, and the hindgut. Each of these three segments, in turn, gives rise to adult anatomic counterparts. For instance, derivatives of the foregut start with the esophagus, the stomach, the first or the proximal one half of the duodenum, as well as the liver and the pancreas. Derivatives of the midgut include the distal one half of the duodenum, the small intestines, the jejunum and ileum, the ascending colon, all the way up to the right two-thirds of the transverse colon. Finally, derivatives of the hindgut start with the remaining left one-thirds of the transverse colon, the descending colon, the sigmoid, the rectum, all the way up to the anal canal. This is our anatomy review of the day.